Ito yung ating gagawin ngayon travel search. Finding the cheapest flights travel online. And what does that means? Comparing the platform that we have to those giant, no, yung malalaking company gaya ng Chipo Air, Flight Hub, no? These are giant online travel agency, okay, that offers anyone. I'm pretty much sure marami sa inyo ang nakakaalam na rito, and now malalaman nyo pa ng gusto yung comparison ng pricing kung saan mura. It might be mas mura sa amin or sometimes mura to them. No, depending on the supplier, depending on the airline supplier na hawak nila and hawak namin. But in the past, we've checked everything in our platform, comparing to them. We found that we are the most cheap flights and airline tickets. As you can see here, no, nakikita nyo naman dito sa front pa lang nung aming portal system. Cheap flights and airline tickets. Right? Same thing with them, right? Like siyempre, they're promoting their company, sabihin din nila yon. So, find cheap flights and safe, right? That is with the Flight Hub. And dito naman sa Chipo Air, ganun din ang sinasabi nila, right? So, the objective is, of course, let the people know that they're the cheapest travel portal online system in the market, right? And ganun din po kami. And ngayon po, today, malalaman nyo po kung sino yung sasabi ng totoo. But, take quote on me on this because sometimes they might be cheaper, sometimes we might be cheaper, but in the past we've checked already, we can see the difference kung sino po ang mas mura. Makikita po natin yan ngayon sa ginagawa natin.